Yeah, I agree with that. I think it's only actions that have some problems.
Yeah, they're different there.
Nokia's not perfect, but they're a little better.
More reliable.
Yeah.
Get an iPhone.
Go on, SA!
That's more like it.
That's that was bloody close.
Oh, man!
Lucky.
Oh,
You can even see him being stressed out. Oh.
Yeah.
bloody hell! I could have gone either way.
Bounce.
So, you know, who's going to kick next to the lock? You know, Mayfield to kick.
Yeah.
Look at the expression on their face. They know this game is not going well. We are not playing good rugby.
SA, you need to pick up the pace. You need to sort out. Don't concede anymore.
Come on, guys. You need to play a bit tougher, harder. Come on, guys. Dig deep.
Don't concede anymore.
The kid's yawning.
You think they can hear us?
Oh, you bollocked that one, didn't you?
Come on.
Calm down, man.
Boring.
Offside. Like half of them are offside, guys. Come on.
But you say it as if
Fucking
it's not
2/3 of the team was sitting in our back line. Oh, look, you're only outnumbered 10-1. Let's go blindside. What are ya? Oh no, let's do it again. Fucking dick.
Andrew, this is the first time I've had you swear, mate.
It's only a game, don't worry.
What?
Sorry.
This is war, mate.
Go for the face, kid. No!
Go for the face.
You have to go for the furniture.
I was going to say.